Optimum price! Puking inang yan, optimum price!
You're going to Brazil!
Lo voy a matar.
Get on FaceTime somebody like Steve Harvey. Yo, why would I think you look like Steve Harvey?